register a complaint. Hello, miss.
What do you mean, miss?
I'm so sorry I have a cold. I wish to register a complaint.
Sorry, mate, we're closing for lunch.
Never mind that, my lad. I wish to complain about this parrot, what I purchased not half an hour ago from Miss Very Booty.
Oh yeah, the Norwegian pinky yellow. What's wrong with it?
I'll tell you what's wrong with my lad. He's dead. That's what's wrong with it.
No, that's not dead. That's resting. That is.
Resting?
Yeah.
Okay, then if it's resting, I'll wake him up. Hello, Polly. I've got a nice fresh cuttlefish for you if you wake up Mr. Polly Parrot.
They moved.
No, he didn't. That was you pushing the cage.
I didn't.
Yes, you did. Wakey, wakey! Rise and shine. This is your 9 o'clock alarm call. Now that's what I call it.
No, he's stunned.
Stunned?
Yeah. Norwegian pinky yellow stun easily, don't you know? You stunned him just as he was waking up.
Look, my lad, I've had enough of this. When I bought this from you, you assured me that its total lack of movement was due to it being tired and shagged out after a long squawk.
Well, he's pining for the fields.
Pining for the fields? What kind of talk is that? Look, why did it fall flat on its back the moment I got him home?
Well, you see, the Norwegian pinky yellow prefers skipping on his back. Beautiful plumage.
The plumage don't enter into it. It's stone dead.
No, it's pining for the fields.
Look, Toff, I took the liberty of examining that bird when I got it home, and I discovered the only reason it had been sitting on its perch in the first place was that it had been nailed there.
Well, you see, if I hadn't nailed it there, it would have muzzled up to them bars, would have bent it with its little pecker, and it would have been boom, it would have been gone.
Mate, this parrot wouldn't boom if you put 4 million volts through it. Its bleeding demise. It has expired and gone to meet its maker. It's a stiff, bereft of life, at rest in peace. If you hadn't nailed it to the perch, it would be pushing up the daisies. It has gone to meet its maker. It has expired. This is an ex-parrot.
I'll have a look out the back.
You can't get anything done in this country unless you complain till you're blue in the mouth.
Sorry, Squire. Just had a look. We're right out of parrots.
I see. I get the picture.
I've got a slug.
Does it talk?
Not really.
It's scarcely a replacement, is it?
Listen, mate. I didn't want to work in a pet shop.
I didn't think so.
Nah. I wanted to be a lumberjack.
I'm sorry, this is irrelevant, isn't it?
Yes! A lumberjack! Leaping from tree to tree as they broke down the mighty rivers of British Columbia.
What about my bloody parrots?
I don't care! The mighty fern! The Scotch pine! The giant redwood! With my best buddies by my side, we'd sing, sing, sing. I'm a lumberjack, I sing all night till I go day.
He's a lumberjack and he's okay. He sleeps all night and he works all day.
I cut down trees, I eat my lunch, I go to the laboratory. On Wednesdays I go shopping and have butter scones for tea.
He cuts down trees, he eats his lunch, he goes to the lavatory. On Wednesdays he goes shopping and has butter scones for tea. He's a lumberjack and he's okay. He sleeps all night and he works all day.
I cut down trees, I skip and jump, I like to press wallflowers. I'll put on women's clothing and hang around in bars.
He cuts down trees, he skips and jumps, he likes to press wildflowers. He puts on women's clothing and hangs around in bars. He's a lumberjack and he's okay, he sleeps all night and he works all day.
Cut down trees around high heels, suspenders and a bra. I wish I'd been a girlie just like my dear